Hi guys, today we'll be discussing on how we can use WordPress actions. Now let's go here at our code. As you can see here, we are now using a WordPress action that is already native to WordPress. So we're just um, echoing out hello WP world. So what we're gonna you're ever wondering what's the advantage of WordPress action um, compared to just writing say a function on PHP, right? I'd say it's easier to manage. I'll demonstrate that in a bit. Okay, so um, WordPress actions uh, are are called or executed um, by this action tag. So this is a native to WordPress, and what we're going to do, what WordPress does is they have this do action function that is hooked everywhere in the source files. So um, whenever we call that hook, whenever we hook into that tag, this one, um, it uh, it fires it fires something in the front end and in the back end because it's located in the in both front end and in back end. Whereas when we use admin init, it only this string right here will only show on the admin area. So okay, so let me just teach you on how we can use that better. You let's say you want to hook into the footer and let's say you want to hook into the footer area or the header area or just anything below the header. Let's say you're creating a theme and you're calling the header PHP file. Let's say you already have a header PHP file. So um, let's do get footer here. Okay, so say your contents are here. Here are too much. Here is the content. Now since we don't have a footer, let's comment that out first, and let's say Osamus header insert, because we're gonna insert info in there, or maybe text, or anything you would like to show in the front end or in the front end. This will only show in the front end since it's this file is only rendered for the front end. You'll not see this in the back end. Okay, Osamus footer insert. Okay, now that we have that, let's use this here. Let's say Osamus action. Okay, let's save that, and now the expected result should be this hello WP world should appear before the here is the content. So let's see that now. Yep. So this function right here is hooked in here, and it will echo hello WP world. Now if we replace this with footer insert, this hello WP world should appear after here is the content text. So um, let's just add a line break so we can see it properly. All right, there you go, it's below. So that's how you can use WordPress actions. There are other ways you can use it creatively. You can experiment with that, but this is the basic stuff that you'll be seeing when you're using WordPress. So that's about it. If you have questions, suggestions, just leave it in the comment section below, and have a great day. Have a great day, guys. Bye.